Okay guys, look at this. That's Thingsulthliah. And I take the picture from the tower. I'm on the first floor right now, and I can see, look, it's so beautiful. And also there's a road, but I don't know where it goes. Maybe it goes there. Oh, I'm so tired. I have to be careful because there's a bee down there. There's so many bees down there. And I'm planning to climb up higher. But that guy in there, you see? That guy? And never mind. It's let's see. That's the field and that's the church. Why am I so tired? Hello guys. Now I'm on the second floor and the third floor is right up there. And look down. Wow! It's so snow. It's so high. God, look at this. I think I'm going to fall. Oh, yeah. And look right there. That's my hometown. Don't worry about me. There's a hospital right there. You see this? This is a hospital. Don't worry about me. And this, for you know, it's wow. It's kind of high up here. Ooh, I can't see everywhere. Check. It's kind of swing. I'm a bit scared, but never mind. Look up there. It's so tall. Hey, yo, that's Aizol. It looks peaceful from here. You know, it's kind of peaceful. If I jump down, I'll die instantly. So I have to be careful. And that's I don't know what place is that, so I won't comment on that. Let's just go. Oh, there. That's Darlong. I don't know which one, Darlong or Tungbel or Kumtok. Never mind. It's beautiful, and there's the current, electric. Super. I think I'm going to fall. Okay guys, right now I'm on the top floor and this is the top, and that's the beach. It's kinda dirty up here, so let's see. Wow, it's so beautiful. It's kind of a bit scary up here because the towers swing a little, but it's fine for me. I already used to it. So let's see. That's the way to Kumtung. Most of you might know the name Kumtung. And this is Thingsulthliah. Most people say Thingsulthliah or Thingsulthliah. It's when we say Thingsul, it's Thingsulthliah. Just know that. And that's Seling. That's the which one should I point? It's kind of cool up here. If you look down, there's a, I don't know what that thing is, so let's look this way. It's kind of high from the ground, like I don't know, maybe 100 feet up or maybe more. I don't know exactly how high it is, so let's go to the other side and see. This is the mountain. This is Mizoram, let's just say. And there's so many trees around here, so I don't know whose mountain is that one, so I won't tell. It's kinda fun up here, but I don't know if I can go down or maybe I'll stay here for a while. I'm a bit scared, I'm not gonna lie. I'm a bit scared. So, Era, say hi to them. Shibu. It's kind of scary up here. I don't know. This is the moon. And my legs start to shake. See? And this is Thingsulthliah. So everyone give a like. I don't know if you follow me or not. I don't care. Just give a like. Leave a like.